In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a numbered list, autofill, in Google Sheets. This is a quick, reliable way to number rows for things like task lists, inventories, or any table that needs a clean sequence. We'll keep it simple and make sure it's easy to repeat anytime you need it. With your sheet open and your cursor ready, start by clicking the cell where you want your numbering to begin. Type the number 1 in that first cell. Then move to the cell directly below it and type the number 2. These two numbers do more than just start the list. They tell Google Sheets the pattern you want, a sequence that increases by 1 each time. Without both numbers, Sheets might assume you want to repeat the same value, so entering 1 and then 2 is what signals a proper countup. Next, highlight both of those cells together. You can do this by clicking the first cell with the 1, then dragging down to the cell with the 2, so they're both selected. You'll know you've got it right when you see a blue outline around both cells. Now look at the bottom right corner of that selection. You'll see a small blue square. This is called the fill handle. Hover your mouse over that square until your cursor changes to a small cross. Click and hold on the square, then drag straight down along the column. As you drag, you'll see a preview of the numbers continuing in order. Keep dragging until you reach the row where you want your list to end, and then release the mouse. That's it. Google Sheets automatically fills in the rest of the numbers for you, following the pattern you set with part 1 and 2. If the results aren't what you expected, double-check that both starting cells were selected before you drag the fill handle. If you accidentally went too far or not far enough, you can press undo, or simply drag the fill handle again to adjust. You can also start your list in any row or any column. The same approach works wherever you need it. To recap, you typed 1, then 2 in the cell below, highlighted both, and dragged the small blue square downward. Google Sheets did the counting for you. This simple technique saves time, keeps your data neat, and ensures your lists are numbered accurately every time.